Good morning, sir. So my name is Abhishek Raghav and he is my teammate Prashant Salve. We are of class 12. We are from Army Public School, RK Puram, Secunderabad. We are here to present a solution for long hours of power shutdown in rural areas. So, what if a tragedy happens in a village, or there is a happy news like a baby is born in a family, and that man wants to convey that news to all his distant relatives, but to his surprise, there is no charge in his cell phone, and also his bad luck comes out on that day, and there is no electricity also. So why is the cell phone not charged? Because of long hours of power shutdown in rural areas. If we count further, we come across cases like people landing into pits, people ramming into the trees and just going into the fields in night due to the absence of street lights in rural areas. India is a rural-based country, and to make that country advance, we need to start it from the primary level itself. There are two means that connect rural India to urban population, that is means of transport and means of communication. Talking about means of transport, we have chosen cycle as a role model because the main means of transport that is used is cycle in rural areas. And talking about means of communication, in today's world, one can live without food and water, but not without a cell phone. So keeping all this in mind, we have come up with an eco-friendly project that will generate, also store and use solar and wind energy for various purposes. Over to Prashant. He will explain you the further design of the project.
As you can see, we are going to fix this system on a bicycle. So as you can see, the project is divided into three parts. The first one being input. The input devices consist of two things. The first one is a solar panel, it's of 3 watts, and the next one is a fan. As you can see in the flow diagram, when the wind moves against the fan blades, the fan rotates, which is in turn connected to a dynamo, which works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Then the dynamo is connected to a bridge rectifier, which ensures that there is a unidirectional flow of current. The diode is connected to a battery, and the solar panel is also connected to the battery directly, so that the sun rays absorbed can be converted into electrical energy. The induced current is then passed through two switches. The switch 1 is used for a mobile charger, which is a multiple pin mobile charger, and switch 2 is used for LED. So any person who is riding can use it at night. Here you can see the LEDs and the switch with a multiple pin mobile charger. See the light.
Talking about the further scope of this project, the total cost incurred in making this project is ₹500. But I'm sure if this project is produced in bulk, this will just cost around 300 to 400. Average farmer in India can afford 300 to 400 for his cell phone. Talking about my own experience in North India, it's people in our village have separate batteries for their cell phone charging only. Now, talking about the advantages of this project, model is a successful model when output is more than the input. So first, it provides sufficient brightness to ensure a safe ride at night on the bumpy lanes of a rural area. Not only rural areas, sir, in urban areas also, we come across places where there is no street lights, and we need to go through them. And riding on a cycle is not a joke in today's world. People need not depend on electricity to charge their cell phones anymore. As we all know, students are getting attracted towards all the cell phones nowadays. So they should ensure that their cell phone is always charged. So they can all put up on their cycle this system and make sure that their cell phone is always fully charged. The whole system is easily detachable, and they can be used in the absence of electricity. The whole system, as you can see, the whole system is detachable by only using 4 screws. If a farmer is illiterate also, he can just remove 4 screws and can be easily detached. It is fixed on a cycle, so it helps to keep them healthy. Riding a cycle is a healthy exercise, so you all can use that every day. It is much more cheaper and means cost has a high cost of using. So